Today I'm taking a look at the Ruzorbolt cordless electric ratchet. So we got our instructions. We've got our battery. That is a 2 amp hour battery. It actually has a nice rubber texture on it, which is great. So in case we drop this thing, we don't have to worry as much about breaking it. That is a 20 volt battery, which is excellent. We got an indicator right there, and it looks like it comes with 2 bars of charge. And it does say on the bottom that it's a 2000 milliamp hour, 20 volt battery. Can't see our 2 main contacts on there, and I appreciate that each contact has 2 contacts on it. It does have a charging port there in the back, and that is a standard clip style lock. I also appreciate that they labeled these contacts positive and negative. Here we got our charger. That is a 110 to 220 volts, so that's good for international or domestic. It outputs a 1 amp at 21 volts. And this is nice. It actually comes with 2 batteries. Having 2 of them means you can have one on the charger while you're using the other one. Appreciate that they did that. All right. So we do have an extension. This is a 3/8 drive, and it's about 3 inches overall length. We have an adapter, so we can turn a 3/8 into a half. So if we want to use a larger size socket with this, we can do that with this. And the sockets it comes with is a 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. So no skips between a 13 and a 17. Pretty common sockets, so that is a very nice little starter set. And we got the ratchet itself, and it looks like it comes with a little carrying bag. That's handy, so you can keep everything together. You're gonna have to keep the box. There we go. So we do have a nice soft rubber grip on here. I really like seeing that. You can see our 2 contacts right there on the back for the battery, and I appreciate that the way that this is going to mount is that it's going to come in from the front. So sometimes they will attach these so they come in from the bottom like this, but that just increases the overall size, so you can't fit that into smaller areas like an engine bay. So this is a much better way to mount a battery. You can also see on here it says brushless, so that means this is a brushless motor, which means that the battery is going to last longer, it's going to have more power, and you're not going to get that smoke smell that you sometimes get with brushed motors. You got a nice large grip on there. You also have a light, and it does have a short delay before it shuts off. We have a lock and unlock switch, so if you want to throw this thing in the bag and you don't want to worry about it going off on you, you don't have to. And we can see that that is a 3/8 drive head, and we do have a lot of good control over that. That is a D10 style anvil, and that is reversible. Go. Not bad. So overall, that is a very handy ratchet.